Hey and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your ASUS ZenFone 10. So to start, if you see something like that in the notification bar or something like that when trying to visit inside, that means we have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, go to the apps and choose CL apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just install it by opening the app and choose the install button. That's it. Now go to the app list again and look for your web browser. Then tap on the storage and cache, choose manage space and tap on the clear all data. Configure it by OK, and now your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way was not for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can start it now. Click on the skip button, continue, close the ads, and choose continue with ads. Now tap on the green circle, click on the OK, add the permissions to files, and go back to the app. Now after the signing process, all of the unwanted softwares should be removed from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.